Aloha. First of all, I'd like to say mahalo keakua for the gift of hula. For it truly is a gift, and we need to remember hula is an art only here in Hawaii. But mahalo to keakua for giving me that gift. And with that gift, I am most humbled and honored and thank Moanalua Foundation and the Prince Lot Hula Festival for this great honor. And that also big mahalo to my kumu. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be who I am today. I started at a very, very young age. And I'm told they taught me to hula before they taught me to walk. So that's all I've known all my life. Mama Vicky, I call her Mama lovingly. She was part of the trio that with Auntie Pauline and Uncle Joe. So she decided to take me under her wings. And it was from the age of 13 that Mama Vicky took me home and raised me like one of her own. And it was from then on that she became my kumu. She shared everything with me. She is my kumu, my mama, my best friend. She shared everything. And so today, that is why I pay tribute to her with our halau, carrying on her traditions and her legacy of hula. And I just mahalo all of them for the person that I am. For without them, I would not be who I am today. And of course, I cannot forget to mahalo our haumana. For the kumu does not exist without haumana. So thank you to them that I'm able to carry this title. And I do it humbly and in tribute to all of my kumu. And now most especially to Mama, whose name we carry. And so, Keakua, thank you for all of them. Thank you for the gift of hula, the gift of music. Thank you for allowing me to be me.